Hello, I am Soham Shrivastava. I am a 2-year classroom program student at Aakash Institute, Chandkheda, Ahmedabad branch. I chose Aakash because of its rigorous program, its test series, its deep concepts and the well-developed modules and lectures. The teachers here were quite nice and the test series was also quite helpful during the journey. Yes, the primary medium through which I took admission at Aakash Institute was through the IACST test. The IACST test was quite helpful. It was a rigorous class test on the 10th based syllabus, and I wanted to take admission at Aakash Institute, so that was my primary reason behind taking the ICST test. My main preparation strategy was attending lectures consistently, focusing on the classes, revising the notes every day and solving as many questions as possible for a given chapter. Aakash's primary help was through the test series, the FTS, which was held in December and January. It was quite a rigorous test series and it was well developed. It has quite critical questions and helped me practice quite a lot. Time management was also quite a big issue for me during the very start. I believe my highest point at the preparation journey was towards the end when my scores were increasing gradually throughout. And in comparison to that, the lowest point was around the middle of 11th grade when my scores had taken quite a toll. They had dropped to around 180, below 200, which I had to deal with quite a lot. My primary strategy to improve scores was always analyzing the test. I used to sit and analyze the test and discuss this with all of my teachers. What my main primary motive behind a test analysis was to rewrite all the questions, redo all the questions, and solve the entire test again. I would also then discuss each of the questions and my attempting strategy with my teachers. This helped me quite a bit. I had quite a great experience at Aakash. The teachers here are quite experienced and they have heaps of knowledge to give. I did see a few changes in myself. Mostly they were mental changes. I became more resilient, more confident, and I was able to focus a lot more for much longer hours as well. I have quite a great bond with all of my teachers. They are always here to help me whenever I feel low, and they always solve all of my doubts. They are quite experienced and they are more than adept at doubt resolutions as well. For all future JEE aspirants, my primary advice would be to constantly analyze your tests, to get your doubts solved immediately, and to focus on lectures. Revision and concept clarity is one of the best things which will help you throughout this journey. Thank you.